How to manifest clients and customers very quickly into your business and life in 24 hours or less while raising your vibrational level. Hey, Scott Haug here with our Manifestation Accelerator, where manifestation and results are made easy. We're going to get into a 4-step process that you can follow literally today on this video. It's going to align with your highest good. All the potential customers and ideal clients that you're looking for to attract into your life, we're going to put into an energy and process, send it out to the universe to allow yourself to actually attract the good that you desire. Before we jump into the video, throw a like on the video. It's going to send it out to a lot more people in this universe, and together we can raise the level of consciousness on this planet. Also, click subscribe and then click the bell icon as well to get notified when we send out more manifestation how-to step-by-step guides, techniques, and methods for you to ultimately manifest everything that you want, as this channel is all about how to apply the material, not just about learning more. Now, clients and customers, when we attract them into our life and business, it's an energy thing. That's it. When you're in the right energy, things seem to flow. When you're out of the energy, things seem to not flow. It's not just about marketing. Okay, because you could have the greatest marketing plan in the world, the greatest plan in the world, the greatest strategy in the world, whatever it is. But if you're not in alignment with the right energy, things just don't happen the way you want them to happen. It can be very hard, very frustrating, and not have the flow that you want. So we're going to jump into a technique here. I'm giving a lot of preface, if you will, before the technique. So you want to watch the video from start to finish, because it's going to fill in all the gaps of the energy alignment, what that is, how to do it, the energy technique, the 4-step process. I'm also going to give an example as well, and this was recorded live when I was speaking on stage a couple of years back to allow everybody in the room to really be aligned with manifesting new clients and customers. It's going to do the same for you. I really hope you enjoy this process. Again, watch this from start to finish. You need every nook and cranny, every little detail of the manifestation process, and all this step by step. Just before we jump into the actual 4-step process and the content, also comment below so that you activate the phrase in your life, I just now received an extra $5,000. Thank you, universe. Comment that below before you do your actual engagement with the content we're about to jump into, because it's going to, again, activate that in your world. And it's going to then be emotionalized, and you're going to feel it to be true today, allowing it to actually attract into your life. So again, I just now received $5,000 extra. Thank you, universe. All right, go ahead and comment that below, and let's step right into the 4-step process and allow yourself to experience the quantum leap forward in client and customer manifestation. Let's do it. So a lot of us are on that bottom left-hand corner. We're somewhere that we're doing things very well. We're getting clients, but we want to move to the next level, right? But we're thinking ideas on that bottom level, right? And we know that we have to shift to that higher level through repetition, that David said so wonderfully about auto-suggestion and hearing the same thing over and over. But if we want to go to that next level, how can we shift our thoughts to that higher frequency? It's a very easy exercise, okay? And if any of you know Esther Hicks a little bit, that work, I love her work with Bob's work, putting those together. That's what we're going to talk a little bit about. Getting into that alignment first before you go out there and serve. Because then you have clients flow, you have money flow, and things just start to be a little bit more at ease. Not so struggle, not so hard. It will be hard work, a lot of hard work going out there and taking the action. But what if you could flow just a little bit more? And that's a vibrational alignment first, okay? So as we go through here, we could see on the top, how can you start feeling ease, relief, happiness, and joy around money and enrollments? As we know, feeling is a vibration, right? So if we're on the top side there, those are the positive emotions that can help us start to flow with these ideas. On the bottom there, if you're feeling that clients are hard to get, there's not that many, they're not qualified. If you're feeling any of those negative emotions down there, that's why we keep attracting hard situations to enroll clients. But what if we feel ease? What if we start to feel the emotion of, wow, it's really easy to enroll clients. It's really easy to help people. Money is easy to gain, easy to start to move forward with. It's flowing. If we can get in that vibrational alignment, that's what starts to happen, right? Law of attraction brings it to us. So now we're going to put it into words, okay? So I encourage you to write down those first 3 phrases for sure. Some of you already know them. So in TIR, we talk about it. Feeling is our conscious awareness of the vibration we're in. We hear it all the time. But are we applying it? Are we doing it? Think about what that means. Feeling, how we feel right now while we're in this room, is our awareness of the vibrational state that we're in. We know what we're attracting based on the way we're feeling. And David said it today as well. We're not controlling our thoughts, we're controlling the way we feel. Okay? It's like their vibration precedes manifestation, right? We have to get into the vibration before things change physically. And then when we change our vibration, things change physically. So therefore, we must feel good before things start to change. So how many of you want maybe 5 extra enrollments this week? Yeah? Woo! Okay. So how can we start to do that? We want to get into the feeling of that happening. Okay. Two quotes there. Some of you know Neville Goddard's work very well, right? It's a little treasury. I encourage you to grab this book. It's got all his books in one. It's like a little treasure box. Okay. It's The Power of Imagination. And it's got like 8 of his books in here. It's right on Amazon. You can grab it. Okay. So 2 quotes here from the Power of Awareness chapter. The first step in the renewing of the mind is desire. You must want to be different before you can begin to change yourself. What's your burning desire? Hopefully it's helping people. What sets you on fire? What's going to bring the intensity up? I know we've talked about Brian a lot, but the one quality that Bob was talking about is find the top producers and find the one quality that you want to emulate. And Brian's that I found, because I was thinking about it, it's the intensity. How much he wants to help somebody. And it's an expectation that he's going to be able to. Expectations of feeling. Okay, so let's go to the next line. Then you must make the future dream a present fact. You do this by assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. So what does assuming mean? It means if, it's just going to happen, right? If you assume something's going to happen, it's just going to happen. So if you're assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you're assuming ease, you're assuming all these positive emotions, all these great things around enrollments, money, whatever it is. Second quote, if this assumption is persisted in until it becomes your dominant feeling, the attainment of your ideal is inevitable. Think about that, okay? Your goal is inevitable. It's going to happen if your assumption, if this feeling is persisted in every single day, right? It is kind of insane, right? Every single day you're trying to change yourself. You're feeling good even when things are going bad. That's ridiculous, right? Most people are like, oh yeah, I feel terrible. Things are going terrible, right? You start to feel low. You start to feel guilt and resentment and all these things. And we're on the other side. We're saying, I'm feeling really good. And people are like, things are terrible for you. You have no money in the bank. You have no enrollments, whatever it is, right? And we're sitting here trying to feel good. So if we can persist in this emotion, though, things are going to change because we understand the laws of the universe. Okay. Now, as we go forward, we're going to go through the 4 steps here. So I encourage you to take a picture. Okay. How do we do it? How do we get in vibrational alignment here? Step 1, state how you feel. Okay. So I'm going to go on a little abundance rampage. Okay. So I feel ease. You want to start with the emotion. I feel ease. Oh, how good does that feel? How good does ease feel? It feels great. Things are getting better and better. I just feel good. I feel like money's finally rolling in. I feel like clients are kind of just coming to me and flowing to me. Unexpected things keep happening to me, and I feel like the luckiest person in the world. Things keep happening right. Oh man, I feel ease. Things feel ease. I'm going out there and serving and helping people, and I have the best business in the entire world, helping people. That's pretty easy. It feels ease. It feels good. Okay. So you want to get an emotion, and you want to just dwell on that emotion. You want to give yourself, number 2, all the reasons to feel that emotion. Let's talk about freedom. Right? All of us want freedom, time freedom, money freedom. How good does freedom feel? It feels really good. It feels freeing. I can do whatever I want to do. I have the money to do whatever I want. Money feels good. right? Then go and transition to the money topic. Money feels really good. It's an instrument. And when I have more, it magnifies more of who I am, right? Oh, money's good. What about bills? Bills are giving opportunities, right? They're not just giving the money away. I'm trying to pay off all these bills and payments. Oh, it feels good. I can give back to all these people and these services that are doing great things, right? And as you keep going forward, these things are going to happen. Now, just like David was talking about insanity, right? I do this every single day, and I have my windows open. I'm like, God, I think all these people that are living around me must think I'm insane, right? I'm talking about money. I'm talking about all these things. I just keep talking out loud. I have epic music in the background jamming, right? So I'm jumping up and down. I'm like, if they could only see what I'm doing here, they would think, oh, my God, right? Eva and I talk about it a little bit. We listen to epic music while we're doing this, right? It gets you pumped up. You're conquering the world. You feel, right? The feeling, you feel like you're a top dog. You're the one to do something incredible. So number 3, how good enrollments feel, how good money feels. And number 4, you just want to feel how you feel now. Be aware of it. Does everyone feel good in the room? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So you can feel the vibrational shift in the entire room. It's because you're listening into the words of ease and flow. It feels so good. Then you want to go out there and serve, right? Damn right I'm going to help somebody today. Things are going to happen really well today. You expect it. You're getting into the emotion and you expect great things to happen. I'm going to ask you to do something probably uncomfortable. Okay? We're going to apply this. Best way to do it is to do it here and now. Okay? All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to group up at your tables. Again, it may be very uncomfortable. Pick a volunteer. Hopefully somebody volunteers at your table. Or just do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. At your table, you want to go through these steps here, okay? You just want to talk about the feeling. Just talk about ease. Just start with ease first, okay? Talk about all the reasons to feel ease, okay? So go ahead, go around your table. We're going to put on some meditative music, and you want to go around, and then when that person's done, maybe a minute, 2 minutes of talking out loud, you can go to the next person. Really, it's just self-talk, so don't complicate it. Just, talk about how you want to feel. Talk about how good that feels. And I'll be around if you want to ask me a question about it, okay? All right, let's do it.